Hello, my name is Masitum, and I'll be taking you through Ongea Tech. So, Ongea Tech is a tech platform that allows people to do hands-on project work, coding work. So, when you visit ongeatech.com, the first thing you'll get is a video introduction of what we do. You also get a chance to share your email and get started. So, when you get started, you will be requested to create an account by filling up your name, email address, and then you have to mention if you want to be a mentor or a mentee. Once that is done, you'll be taken to the profile section where you will um, fill in your profile details and then share links like LinkedIn, GitHub for further use in the platform. So the platform is more project based. So I'll take you through this project. So this project is the first one that we've had on the platform. It's about creating a to-do list app with Flask. And the best thing about Ongea is that it picks data directly from GitHub. So we've worked on this for about 51 hours in total. That's 51 hours of meeting weekly, to 2 or 3 hours in a week, and then independent development throughout the week. So far we've had like 200 commits on this repository with 22 branches, currently 6 PRs, 10 issues, and all that. So this shares also what skills you require before you join the project so that you can see if you're qualified to even get started or not. So in this case, this is a beginner project. So anyone can actually join it. And then this just shows the time commitment. Apart from the 2 to 3 hours on Saturday where we code together and learn a new concept, there's also some time needed to do assignments and personal implementation of the work. So the next thing is the tech stack that we've used on this project. So here they are. And then another thing is that we have the project schedule. So what we'll be doing week by week. We just finished Playwright end-to-end testing, and now this coming Saturday we're gonna do AI foundations with the daily motivational boost. So we want to use AI to personalize a message for us to do our tasks in our task to-do list. Uh, the project page also has assignments. So as you can see, this is linked to Google Classroom, where all the materials, including assignments, are posted and they're pulled from there. So the last assignment we had was on error handling, and it was due on March of 21st. Then this is where we have the members of the project. So we have the team lead, which is myself, and then we have the mentees that are currently there. So if you want to join this project, you can click the login, join. If you're not logged in, you'll have to log in. If you don't have an account, you have to create an account, log in, and then join the project. Now, if you just want to see the GitHub repo, you can just click on this and it'll take you there. For each project, we will have one project lead and a maximum of 3 mentors. And this is to help support the mentorship process. There might be times when maybe one mentor is busy and they're not available. Regardless of that, educate or learning should still continue. So for this project, we have a maximum number of mentees who can join, which is 15. We're only doing this so that the quality of the ratio between mentor and mentee is great. So you don't want to take in too many mentees, and maybe we have very few mentors. So another cool thing about this is the fact that we are linked to GitHub. So for this project, it shows when you put in your LinkedIn username, it automatically pulls from the repository from GitHub, and it shows you just what contributions you've had in the project. So for me, I've done about 71 commits with 5 PRs and 10 reviews. And for this member, they've done 15 commits, 10 PRs, 2 reviews, and for this member, they've done 13, 7, 4, so on and so forth. This member hasn't added their GitHub username yet, but once they do, it'll automatically pull. Then we have the project details. This is just more like having everything in one place. So where we do our messages, so this will take you to Discord. This is will take you where we've deployed our front end, where we've deployed our database. This other one will take you to office hours, where the voice channel where we meet every Saturday. This will take you to the GitHub repository, and this is just like an online IDE where you can practice things. Another cool thing about the platform is this section, which is the demo. So we embed whatever project we're working on onto the project page. So this is actually the project that we've been working on, and it is working. So I can show you that it is. So this the whole point of having it here is so that people can actually see what you've been working on. Okay, I'm not sure why it's not logging me in, but it will you will interact with it the same way you would interact with the platform. And if you want to go to it, you will click. Oh, now I understand. I think the server is not up yet, so I'll look into that. But technically, you're supposed to interact with it as if it's on a different tab, like on its own in its own platform. So then we have the resources part where we have uh, things like the mockups, high fidelity design, software requirement specification documents like materials or artifacts that were used in the project. This is very important, and this is usually what is present in the industry, and therefore it's important for us to also have this. And then we also have video sessions. So each of the weekly sessions is recorded and is uploaded to YouTube. Um, and then it's made available to the specific project. So each of the projects should have its own playlist with the sessions that have been covered. So when someone hasn't managed to join, they can always just watch the video. Although I encourage everyone to join, they can also check it out when they want to revisit a specific topic. Lastly, this is just a newsletter, and it can be used to with this that's what we use to share upcoming events, or news, or just anything that we want to update our members about. So yeah, that is Ongea Tech. Currently finishing my master's in software engineering, and I'll be graduating in May. So I hope after that I will definitely have more time to create more projects, tell more people to join us as mentors, as project leads, and as mentees, so that the platform can be can continue changing how people learn and yeah, so that we can all learn together. I hope you'll give it a shot and let me know what you think about it. Thank you.